So I was told that the BJP is having a Padyatra. We don't want to interfere with their political activities, but I would like to tell clearly, my Chief Minister and his family is very clear. They had a property which has been gifted by their brother to the Honorable Chief Minister's wife. The property was not being encroached. It was being taken over and encroached by the MUDA. So the government of Karnataka and the MUDA decided to give a compensation. There was an agreement between the MUDA and the wife of the Honorable Chief Minister. Since it was not being acquired as per the law, they decided there is a section act that they can get in compulsory sharing of their land. In some cases, 100% also have been given. When property has been acquired for parks, road, whatever. Even in the BD also, we do the same thing. Like that they have given. So they have purchased the, it was being gifted by her brother. Then the MUDA has taken over. Now they have applied for the compulsory side. Then the BJP government was there. They decided to give her a side. Madam never asked where she has to get. They have offered her, suppose whatever they were supposed to get, more than 3 acres has gone, about 38,000 or something, 40,000, I don't know the exact number. It has been done. Everything is legally well agreed. There is no illegal. BJP is trying to tarnish the image of the Congress government, destabilize the Congress government, and destabilize the Chief Minister, and spoil the image of the Chief Minister. It is their foolishness thing. So nothing is happened. Everything is on being. I was also a urban development minister. For my academic interest, I also have gone through the records which have been available, known to my knowledge, in the public image. All is as per the law, and there is nothing which has been done. Let them do their yatra, let them do anything. They are trying to create 100 lies. We are there to answer to all the crimes, whatever they are.
Are you also planning to have Padyatra, sir?
I am not aware. I have not interfered. Still, I don't know. This is what I want to correct. See, they want to destabilize the government. That is what they are trying to do. They want to create a bad name in Delhi because Congress party is becoming stronger in this country. India is becoming stronger in this country. Well, let them do whatever they want. We also have a lot of issues. We will also expose them.
Will you also have a Padyatra, sir?
Why should I have a Padyatra? I will answer to all of them. Thank you.